A world transformed? Imagining 10 minutes underwater. Imagine a world where humans could effortlessly glide through coral reefs, explore shipwrecks, and conduct underwater research, all while holding their breath for a remarkable 10 minutes. This intriguing possibility sparks our curiosity and begs the question, what if humans possessed such an ability? The underwater world, typically shrouded in mystery and limited by our need for air, would suddenly become a more accessible and captivating realm. Imagine the possibilities for underwater exploration, scientific discovery, and even recreational activities. Divers could delve deeper into the ocean's depths, uncovering hidden treasures and unraveling the mysteries of marine ecosystems. Scientists could conduct more extensive research, observing marine life in their natural habitat for extended periods. Even recreational swimmers could enjoy the freedom and tranquility of prolonged underwater experiences. This potential for extended underwater exploration is not merely a flight of fancy. While 10 minutes might seem like an impossible feat, the human body possesses a remarkable capacity for adaptation. By understanding the science of breath holding and exploring the limits of human potential, we can begin to comprehend the transformative impact of such an ability. The journey to unlock this hidden potential begins with a closer look at the physiological processes that govern our ability to hold our breath. The science of breath-holding oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the urge to breathe. The ability to hold our breath hinges on a delicate balance of gases within our bodies, primarily oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen, essential for cellular function, is delivered to our tissues via the bloodstream. Conversely, carbon dioxide, a byproduct of metabolism, must be expelled to prevent a toxic buildup. When we hold our breath, the levels of these gases begin to shift. Oxygen is gradually depleted as our bodies continue to consume it, while carbon dioxide accumulates. This buildup of carbon dioxide triggers a series of physiological responses designed to signal the brain and initiate the urge to breathe. The first sign is often an involuntary contraction of the diaphragm, the primary muscle involved in breathing. As carbon dioxide levels rise further, the urge to breathe intensifies, accompanied by a burning sensation in the lungs and a feeling of tightness in the chest. This overwhelming sensation is the body's way of demanding a fresh supply of oxygen and expelling the excess carbon dioxide. Understanding these physiological responses is crucial for comprehending the challenges and potential of extending our breath hold limits. Masters of Apnea, training the body and mind for extended breath holds. While most people can hold their breath for a minute or two, experienced freedivers, practitioners of the art of breath hold diving, can extend this duration significantly. These underwater athletes utilize specialized training techniques, including static and dynamic apnea, to enhance their breath-holding capabilities. Static apnea involves holding one's breath in a stationary position, typically floating face down in a pool. This discipline focuses on conserving oxygen and managing the buildup of carbon dioxide. Dynamic apnea, on the other hand, involves swimming horizontally underwater while holding one's breath. This practice emphasizes efficient swimming techniques and mental focus. Beyond physical training, freedivers also employ mental relaxation techniques such as meditation and visualization to manage the urge to breathe and remain calm under pressure. By controlling their heart rate and reducing oxygen consumption, they can prolong their breath holds and push the boundaries of human endurance. These training methods demonstrate the remarkable adaptability of the human body and mind, highlighting the potential for extending breath hold limits. Section 4. The aquatic environment. How temperature and activity influence breath holding. The aquatic environment itself plays a crucial role in influencing breath hold duration. Water temperature, in particular, has a significant impact on oxygen consumption and the mammalian diving reflex, a physiological response that optimizes oxygen use during submersion. Cold water immersion triggers a cascade of physiological changes, including a slowing of the heart rate and constriction of blood vessels in the extremities. This response, known as peripheral vasoconstriction, redirects blood flow to vital organs, conserving oxygen and extending breath hold times. In contrast, warm water tends to increase oxygen consumption, reducing breath hold duration. Physical activity also affects how long we can hold our breath underwater. Strenuous movements, such as swimming against a current or carrying heavy objects, require more oxygen, shortening breath hold times. Conversely, remaining calm and minimizing movement conserves oxygen, allowing for longer periods underwater. Understanding these environmental factors is essential for maximizing breath hold potential and exploring the underwater world safely. Section 5. Nature's Champions: Comparing Human Limits with Marine Animal Adaptations. While humans possess the ability to hold their breath and dive to impressive depths, our capabilities pale in comparison to those of marine animals, especially marine mammals like whales, dolphins, and seals. These creatures have evolved over millennia to thrive in aquatic environments, developing specialized physiological adaptations that allow them to remain submerged for extended periods. One key adaptation is their ability to store oxygen more efficiently. Marine mammals possess a higher volume of blood and muscle mass, both of which can store significant amounts of oxygen. Additionally, their muscles contain a protein called myoglobin, which binds oxygen more effectively than hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein in red blood cells. Furthermore, marine mammals have evolved a remarkable tolerance to carbon dioxide and lactic acid, byproducts of metabolism that contribute to the urge to breathe. This tolerance allows them to remain submerged long after their oxygen stores would have been depleted in a human. Comparing these adaptations highlights the evolutionary journey required for extended underwater survival and underscores the remarkable capabilities of marine life. Section 6. Evolutionary Timelines: The Long Road to Potential Human Adaptation. While humans possess a remarkable capacity for adaptation, the prospect of evolving the ability to hold our breath for 10 minutes requires a consideration of evolutionary timelines. Natural selection, the driving force behind evolution, operates over countless generations, favoring traits that enhance survival and reproduction. Significant physiological changes, such as those observed in marine mammals, typically arise over vast stretches of time, often millions of years. These adaptations are the result of gradual genetic mutations and selective pressures that favor individuals with traits better suited to their environment. For humans to develop similar adaptations for extended breath holding, a prolonged and consistent exposure to an aquatic environment would be necessary. While it is highly improbable that humans will evolve such adaptations within a short time frame, exploring the theoretical possibility highlights the intricate interplay between genetics, environment, and natural selection. Understanding these evolutionary processes provides a deeper appreciation for the remarkable diversity of life on Earth and the incredible adaptations that have allowed species to thrive in even the most extreme environments. Section 7. Beyond the Limits: Exploring the future of human underwater potential. While the prospect of humans naturally evolving the ability to hold their breath for 10 minutes remains a distant possibility, advancements in technology and our understanding of human physiology offer intriguing avenues for exploring our underwater potential. Innovations in diving equipment, such as rebreathers and liquid breathing technologies, hold the potential to significantly extend our time beneath the waves. Rebreathers, for instance, recycle exhaled breath, removing carbon dioxide and replenishing oxygen, allowing divers to stay submerged for longer periods. Liquid breathing, a more futuristic concept, involves filling the lungs with a breathable liquid, eliminating the limitations imposed by gas exchange and pressure changes at depth. While these technologies are still in their infancy, they represent a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of exploration. As our understanding of the human body and the underwater world deepens, we can envision a future where the mysteries of the ocean become more accessible, revealing a wealth of knowledge and captivating experiences.